If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of tears, would you flow your love come quench me? If I said you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? We can talk all night about the weather, and tell you about my friends out on the coast. I can ask a lot of crazy questions, or ask you what I really want to know. If you don't, sing along with me. If I said you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would you hold it like come quench me? If I said you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Bring false sun against the window. The sun can shine so bright up in the sky. But Daddy always told me, don't make small talk. He said, son, come out and say what's on your mind. If I said you have a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would you flow in love come quench?
बाबा भोव बरी वखदां आसतली हांव ताका धाकटे सावन वखदां पूण सगल्या म्हाज्या भाव भयणीच्या नांवान अंकल आंटीच्या नांवान म्हाज्यान हें म्हणोंक जाता कॉन्फिडेंटली that he is a person who has always taken care of each and every one of us, be it his little cousins, his sisters' children, his parents, and his neighbors too. And I don't think I'm going to miss anything by saying his friends too. Right, friends? He's always been there. I know for a fact that be it आमचे गाडी खूंय मोडली, न्हवऱ्याचें लफडें, बाबा काजर जाता कितें करया कशें करया, बाबा लायट ना जनरेटर जाय, कोणतें बिजार आसतना बाबा तूं दोपेर हा इसवण गो आहा रे. All those kind of things. Be it the property matters or anything. The one name that comes to our mind is Kudus. At least I know, in crisis I always call him. Our elders also tell us, Baba phone nagalo, Baba sangla tumi. And I think he has learned this from his father, from Bai. And like how Bai protected all his siblings and all of us, he carries forth the legacy. आयच्या संवसारान जेन्ना कोण कोणाचे पडलेले ना, कोणाक कोण between families too, Baba, we are blessed and lucky to have a big brother like you. May God always at every moment bless you, guide you and keep you safe. Manu? Manu says again. Okay.
These two jars all on it's the one and happy birthday, Uras Madadu. 서해가려 멀어져서 살아가다가 애라서 송사를 잘리 살아서 아손 깨어나 살아서 후라로 두서서로 오늘의 그 문제로 Best meet our boys for all 우제 수구로 무릎은 두제 여자체 다리 소를 몰라채 내 마음 바람래 내 사랑 우제가 은제 Everyone together 손아 저리스 두서
Come on, people, sing along.
손아 저리스 두서 아소개로 손아 사르토 손아 저리스 두서 Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So once again, wishing you all a very happy birthday. God bless you and many, many more.
Manu?
Hey,
Manu?
say. Bring the champagne first.
Okay, we have our family
Bapak masuk, Yudin boy masuk Bapak.
family champagne
And for
and Raymond Fernandez.
Bapak,
Right?
त्या साईडी बस.
oh,
Thank you. And to begin with the toast for the evening. We already have this.
मागीर आतां म्हाका पुता सांगता तुजें आयज तो धंदो आहा तुज्या हातीन आनी तो जबाबदारीचो आनी ती जबाबदारी तुवें घेवंक जाय आनी केन्नाय कोणाकूच वायट नाका आनी तूं बरें जाता तर कोणाकूय पाव आनीक तुका पावतलो अशी म्हाका सदांच म्हणटाले हिंदूकार आमचे बोडकार तुजे पळय आतां तुजो चेडो तुजे भाशेन जालो म्हणून हेल्प करपाक कळ्ळें आतां कितें करया तुजो हेल्प हांव गेलो भितर भोंवलो कळ्ळें मागीर सगळीं आमची भाव भयणां सगळ्यांक फाटीं फुडें पळय कित्याक ते तुवें पळोवंक जाय आतां ते हांव पळोवंक जावचो ना
हांव काल सांगता
जेसिका,
सगळ्यांक
जेसिका.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमी येवन म्हाज्या पुताचो आकाश हांव सोपयलो म्हणून तेच भाशेन हांव म्हाज्या पुताक सदांच बाबा बाबा म्हणटा तो म्हाजो बाबाच जेन्ना सगळे भुरगे भायर म्हाजो पूत घरा हांव सगळ्यांक सांगता म्हाजो पूत मांयक आनी पांयक राखपाक रावला म्हणून जावं देवान ताका बरी सावत भलायकी दिवची तेज्या दोंद्याचेर बेसांव घालचें आनी हेच भाशेन जो घरान तो सगळ्यांक आमकां पावता आमच्या गोंयच्यांक तसोच दुसऱ्यांकूय तो पावचो आनी सगळ्यांक एका आपलो आदार दिवचो. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, Carmen Auntie, for the heartwarming words. Now, next we have Baba's eldest nephew, who actually made him Kudus Mamu.
Happiest 50th birthday to the Mamu. Thank you, aren't enough for everything you have done for me and our entire family. We all know how you are always snappy on your feet, especially whenever we need you. I've especially seen this during the time of when Inchu Mama was not well. And I'm really grateful for that. You were always there to look after every one of us. And that is one thing that I will always take away from you. And I will learn how to be like you more and more every day.
हांवें म्हटलें ओके तर आयज ताका ती आयज हांगर हाजीर ना पूण गुडस ही उतरां हांव तेच्या नांवान तुका भेटयता. मोगाल म्हज्या भाव भयणांनी जेन्ना आमी पॉयंट करता तेन्ना वो ट्रॅवल करता तेन्ना आमकां एक मायलस्टोन दिसता वाटेक आनी त्या मायलस्टोनाचेर हे बरें बरयलेलें आसता. खंयसरूय वयतले जाल्यार अमके सुवातेर वयतले जाल्यार आमकां कितको किलोमिटर आहा पळय ते आनी आमी पॉयंट कोत्ता कोत्ता आमकां गोमान येता आमी त्या जाग्यार आतां पावले अशें दिसता आमकां.
Happy 50th birthday, Godpa. I would like to take this opportunity to say a few words about my Godpa. To my Godpa, I want you to know how lucky I feel to have a godfather like you. Someone who always loves me no matter what I do. When I think of you, I count my blessings and thank Lord above. I have you as my godfather because godfathers are chosen with love. Godparents are one who makes a difference in a child's life, imparting their love, wisdom and faith with every step of the journey. I can't thank you enough for everything you have done for me, Godpa. The best part about my Godpa is, whereas other godchilds receive gifts and chocolates from their godparents, I get the yummiest seafood from my Godpa. I feel the luckiest. Thank you so much for everything, Godpa. Once again, happy 50th birthday, my dearest Godpa. Lots of love.
Okay, now it's going to be public demand.
So all the best to you, Kudus, and have a great life ahead.